especially for individuals who want to succeed financially despite the obstacle of a low salary. The subject we will be discussing today is one that is of the utmost importance. I'm excited to share with you our much-awaited video, How to Get Rich with Low Income. We'll be outlining the top 10 great tricks for turning a minimal salary into $1 million in this wonderful video. Don't forget the last trick. It's the most important and is advised by the majority of millionaires today. So now let's start. 1. Establish a budget for oneself. Having a plan of action is essential if you want to begin accumulating money on a limited budget. Make a personal budget first, or use a budgeting program like Mint, Personal Capital, or Honeydew to help you remain on track. Certain people choose to live frugally by paying cash for everything, while others set aside a certain portion of their salary for things like rent, utilities, personal needs, and debt repayment. In order to avoid living from paycheck to paycheck, it is crucial to create a budget and adhere to it as strictly as you can. 2. Set up an automatic payment system. You should set up automatic payments for your debts, retirement contributions, savings for yourself, and emergency fund. Dollars will be immediately redirected without your involvement or the chance of judging yourself as soon as the payment enters the account at the bank. At least once or twice a year, you should analyze your payments and look for methods to make them better. You could discover that you can boost your savings and investments over time by regularly fine-tuning your payments. Do subscribe our channel and also like this video to know more secret financial tricks and tips. 3. Reduce the cost of living. You may prevent living expenditures and lifestyle creep by creating a budget and automatically allocating your money. Jeff Bezos is a multi-billionaire because Amazon makes it way too simple to purchase items that are unnecessary. Try dining at home more often, finding a roommate, downsizing your TV package, or doing without cable in addition to reducing your splurges. Living cheaply will enable you to increase your investment capital, which will enable you to increase your wealth more quickly, the more money you save. 4. Raise the amount you save toward your retirement. It's like finding money that you didn't know you had when you contribute to retirement at the maximum level. Compound interest accumulates on every dollar you invest in retirement accounts like 401k, and Roth IRAs, and up until the time you start taking distributions, those investments are tax-free. A 25-year-old may have more than $263,000 by the time they are 65, according to Financial Masters, if they invest just $75 each month and assume an 8% return. Are you already following any of these tricks? Do let me know in the comments. 5. Reserve more funds. Over the course of your career, you'll probably receive promotions, bonuses, and perhaps even an inheritance. Although you should set away some cash, you can spend the additional income to raise your level of living. A 50-50 plan is recommended by some experts, whereby you allocate 50% of your surplus income to yourself and the remaining 50% to savings or investments. Refunds from taxes can likewise be used in this manner. 6. Halt the accumulation of debt. A recent consumer credit report found that the typical American had over $80,000 in debt, not including a mortgage. Sadly, a significant portion of that debt is high-interest debt, such as credit card debt, which may have interest rates as high as 30%. Try to pay at least the minimum amount due on your credit card debt, even if you don't have much money coming in. If necessary, you might also look into consolidating your debt onto a card with a reduced interest rate. While it isn't simple, reducing your debt and avoiding taking on more might help you feel less stressed and provide you extra money to invest in your future rather than paying interest to a credit card company. 7. Establish a rainy day fund. Making a rainy day fund for unforeseen expenses is also made much simpler by paying off debt. A $1,000 emergency bill cannot be covered by savings for more than half of Americans. Start putting a little money down each month if you're serious about building wealth on a very limited salary. To prevent borrowing money when anything goes wrong, many experts advise having between 3 and 6 months of salary saved up in a rainy day fund. An emergency fund is what is meant by rainy day fund. 8. Invest in your future. The more talents you have, the better equipped you'll be to take advantage of opportunities when they arise. A lot can happen during the next several decades. Start by asking a trusted acquaintance for an unbiased assessment of your strengths and skills. Then, by putting equal emphasis on professional and personal growth, build tactics to use your skills. To get a little additional money, think about enrolling in a foreign language course, going to networking functions, or even acquiring your real estate license. 9. Establish a business. A great method to create numerous income streams and start accumulating wealth is to start a business, even if you have no money to invest. There are several enterprises that may be launched with no upfront capital. Drop shipping, affiliate marketing, freelancing, and many other such ventures are examples. Please let me know in the comment if there is a particular video you would want to see on this subject. On this subject, I'll undoubtedly produce a video. But initially, starting your own business does not include abandoning your day job. An additional source of income might be a part-time employment, a side business, or regular income streams like renting out a spare room or purchasing dividend-paying stocks like real estate investment trusts, REITs. 10. Make long-term investments. Avoiding making irrational decisions during market volatility is one of the problems of investing, especially when your budget is low. Volatility is common, while some assets, like real estate, have very little link to changes in the stock market. Make a diverse investment portfolio, then let it alone to prevent panic purchasing or selling. Beginning now, you'll be years ahead of your contemporaries who could press the sell button amid market corrections. That's it for this video. Thank you for staying with us till here. Press the subscribe button and also the like button to get notified with more amazing financial tricks related videos. Also, a like and subscribe motivates us to make more life-changing videos for you. Follow these tricks and let me know in the comments if you have understood all the tricks or having doubt in any. Recommend this video to your friends and tell them to watch this video positively. Once again, thank you for watching.